Howdy hikers, packs are on, let's go. I'm Mary.
And I'm Jay, and we're Alaskan Amblers. And today we're hiking the Devil's Garden Trail to Navajo Arch in Arches National Park.
Nice today, we can leave right from camp. We're using our custom Alaskan Amblers mugs, gifts from our kids. Let's go.
Devil's Garden Campground was first come, first serve in January, and there was no trouble getting a spot.
It was a short distance in to our first arch of the day, Tunnel Arch.
Pine Tree Arch is also about a quarter mile off the trail, but well worth the hike.
Elegant Landscape Arch is one of the longest natural stone arches in the world.
It stretches over 90 meters, 300 feet, but only 11 feet thick in the middle.
Past Landscape Arch, the trail gets rather adventurous.
Partition Arch offers two views to the canyons to the east.
Navajo Arch almost looks like a cave at first, but you walk under this thick fin of rock, and it's like a little hidden garden behind.
Amazing views of the La Salle Mountains along this hike. This exposed fin of rock was our favorite part of the hike. Here you can see Black Arch from an overlook.
Double O Arch, our turnaround spot.
shadow highlights Private Arch on our return.